Hey guys, so this is the mobile version of how to connect your SUI wallet to your seed account. Like I said in the last video when I was doing the laptop version, I was going to do the mobile version, and this is it. So I will put you through step to step to get it done. So yeah, you can see this is my MySys browser. It supports extension. MySys browser support extension. As I will want you guys to, you can see this is the extension bar here. It supports extension. You can see it right here. It supports extension because you'll be needing that to connect your SUI wallet to your seed. So first of all, you have to do is connect your Telegram accounts. In the laptop I use one. I've used this account though to connect, but I will still show you the process so that you can also do yours. So you connect your Telegram by clicking on this I circled, and it will direct you to your Telegram account, and you just confirm it. Let's do it together. So it will direct you to Telegram account you want to connect. You can see it. You just click on login, and it's done. So you return back to the MySys browser and wait for it to load. Okay, now it has connected. Like I said before, you can see I've connected my SUI wallet already. So if you have not, this is what you do. You will see something connect SUI wallet. You will click on it. That is, mine is connected already, but for you, you will see where to connect. You'll see it here to connect your SUI wallet. You will click on your SUI wallet. Once you click on it, this is the extension you will have to download. Once you click on it, it will show you the same way it is in the laptop. It will warrant you to download an extension called SUI Wallet. Let me search it here. It will move you to an extension called SUI Wallet. Let me search it for you so you see the extension. It's also in the laptop video. If you should check the video before this, that is the laptop version. You see this is the wallet down here. You can see it here. This is it. This is the SUI Wallet you will download. So let's download it. Let's install it to Chrome. You can see it. I've opened it. You can see it's SUI Wallet by suiwallet.com. Be sure this is it. This is what you're downloading. So it will direct you here, but me, I've done mine, so I'm just like going through the way so that I can show you what the process is. But I've done mine already. I just want to show you guys what the process is all about. So once you add to Chrome, remember, MySys browser or any other browser that supports extension is what you'll be needing to connect your SUI wallet to your seed accounts. So yeah, I'm using MySys browser, and I will now it's added. It will automatically redirect you. For new user that you don't have any SUI wallet anywhere, you just have to create your a new passphrase account. But for we that already have, what we just have to do is go for the more option button, click on it, and import from passphrase. I have my own passphrase with me, and I will do that now. Okay, so I have imported my SUI wallet, and this is it. This is how it will show. Immediately show this. This is it now. Immediately show this. You will go back to your seed account. That is your seed account. You go back to it. You go back to your seed account. You will still click on the button that will be showing here. It will still show you connect to wallets. But before you do that, refresh this page. You have to refresh the page, because if you click on it, so it will still tell you to download. It will not automatically direct you to the wallet and prompt and bring out the prompts to connect. If you watch the laptop video, the laptop tutorial I did before this on my channel, you will see exactly what I'm telling you. So once you refresh this page after downloading and creating your wallet, you refresh the page, you still click on connect to wallet. Once you click on it, it will automatically direct you to that wallet, to that extension, which is this extension here you downloaded. It will direct you there, and once it directs you, it will bring out a prompt message for you to connect. Once you connect, it will still load, and it will ask you if this is your wallet, that you should confirm the address. And if you confirm, it will bring up a sign in message for you to just click on sign. And once you click on sign, you'll get a notification that your wallet has been connected, and it will come out to be like this. Always make sure to check if the wallet address is the same with what you have in your SU wallet. You always have to confirm if it's the same. If it's the same with what is asking to confirm, as you can see, mine is the same. B953 is the same with what I have here. Okay, this one is a different account. Then it's a different account. I use this one for a tutorial, but I'm not using this account, so I just created one randomly for this. But you have to confirm yours to make sure it's the same, and if it's the same, then you will get it and you're good to go. And that is all you need to do to connect your SU wallet to your um seed account and await your airdrop. Thank you, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop your honest review, as I'll be dropping more tutorials. I'll be dropping more videos on tutorials on everything that you will need to know, and just stay with me to the end. Bye.